Hello viewers, welcome to class for the day. Today we're going to be looking at fractions, which is for grade 7 and grade 8. Then we'll be looking at solving equations, which is for grade 5. So just hang on there as I admit my student to the class so that we can get started. Hold on a little bit. Okay. Hello Favor, how are you? Okay, she can hear me now. Hello Favor, how are you?
Hello.
How are you today?
Good.
All right, so you're welcome to class for today. Which topic are you currently looking at in your math at school?
Um, what's it called?
Is it still on fractions or something?
No,
Okay,
it's recurring and
okay,
terminating
terminating
number
decimals, right?
seven. Yes.
Recurring and terminating decimals. Okay, we're going to look at it after now. So, but let's deal with this one. So, send me your homework, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, meanwhile, you can subscribe to this channel while I wait for the homework. So now the first one, the instruction on it was to determine which one is greater, less than, or equal to. So for the first one, we don't even need to do any calculation because we can see that the set of fractions are sort of the same. Like this is the same as this, and this is the same as this, and the sign we are performing is also the same. So definitely we just put equal to, and that's what you did, right?
Yes.
Okay. And for the second one, let's see, we have we have these numbers here, which is 6 plus 8 will give us 14, right?
Mm.
And 2 plus 9, I mean 2 plus 7 will give us what? 9. So
Yeah.
regardless of what the fraction part will be, the two fraction part. So we can see that 14 is obviously greater than 9. So we just put greater than. But for the third one, we might not be able to easily detect if one fraction is greater than the other. And that's a condition that they are, if we subtract this is going to be 5, okay?
Okay.
I mean the whole number. So if we subtract this is going to be 6. So we can be tempted to say this 5 is less than 6, but we still need to consider the fraction part. We need to consider fraction part first before making our conclusion that it's obviously less than. So let's say we have this fraction here, 3 over 4, and this fraction here, 5 over 7. Then this one, 6 over 7, and 2 over 14. So in as much as this is bigger than this, then we don't have any issue. But if this is smaller than this, then we're going to have an issue to take one out of the 6 so that we return 5 and 5, okay? So the one we take
Okay.
out is going to be like making this one to be improper fraction so that we can subtract this. But as the case is, think the fraction here, which is 6 over 7, is greater than 2 over 14, which is 1 over. So with this case, we can still conclude and say this on the left is less than the one on the right. So we can say, but we can verify. So 8 minus 3 here gives us 5. That's for number 3. So we have 5 Then the LCD of the first group of the fractions there, the LCD is going to be 4 and 7, that's 28. So 4 in 28, that's 7 times 3, that's 21. And 7 here, 4 times 5, that's 20. So this part is going to give us 5 whole number 1 over 28. Then the other side of the fraction, 9 minus 3 is 6. So then the fraction part of that one, we have 7 and 14, which is 14 as the base. So 7 here, 2 times 6, that's 12, minus 14 here, 1 times 2, that's 2. So we're going to have 6 whole number. 12 minus 2 is 10, that's over 14. So we have 5, 1 over 28, then 6, 5 over 7. So it's obviously less than because of 5 is less than 6. And for the third one, which you also put less than there, for the fourth one now, we have to add 3 and 3 to give us 6, and 2 and 3 to give us 5. We can be tempted to say that this is already greater than because of, yeah, it might still be greater than, though look at this. This is half plus half, right?
Yes.
Which is going to be 1. Then it turns this one to 6 already. Then this is already 6. But because there's a fraction here to be added, then we can conclude that this is still greater than. Okay.
Okay.
And the next one, we have 9, 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is obviously greater than. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. 3 plus 5 is what? 8, right?
It's, yes.
So should this be less than or greater than?
Less than.
So why did you put greater than? That was a mistake, right?
Yes.
Okay, so, and let's see. Okay. The ones at the bottom, yeah, these ones, it will require some calculations to know what the blank space is going to be. So for the first one, hold on a little bit, let me check something. Just hold. So to this next one, we have 4.5 minus something to give us 2, 1 over 8. Okay. So what we can do is to take the something outside and become positive, then the fraction inside to become negative, like collecting like terms. So we have 4.5 minus 2, 7 over 8 equal to the box. Now we're going to have a little challenge here because half, half and 1 over 2 and 7 over 8, which one is the greatest?
7 by
7 over 8. So that's going to give us a negative answer, which is not supposed to be. So instead of that, we take 1 from this and it becomes 3. Then that 1 represents the denominator, which is 2 plus the numerator, and that is 3 over 2. Then minus 2 whole number, 7 over 8 is what we're looking for. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Then we get the LCD is 8, 2 here 4, 4 times 3 is 12. Then 8 here 1, 1 times 7 is 7. So the answer is going to be 1 whole number, 5 over 8. So for that number 1, did you get 1 on number 5 over 8?
No.
Okay, so now let's look at the second one. Number 2. For number 2, okay, let's see. Number 2, we have something plus 1.5 equal to 11. We can just take that 1.5 to meet 11. So it's going to be 11 minus 1.5 to be something. So 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 minus half is simply 9.5. Exactly.
Yes, I got that.
Okay, you got 9.5, right? Right. Did you get 9.5?
Yes.
Where is it? I can't really find it here.
That no, it's up there. On top of that question there.
Hmm.
It's there. It's there. Number 2.
Number 2, right? Okay,
Mm.
you already put it in the question. I was looking for it at the bottom. Okay, so that's okay. 9.5. Then the next one, let's see. Number 3, we have something plus 8 7 over. So to find something, we can just say 13 3 over 8 um, minus 8 7 over 8. 13 minus 8 is going to be 5, okay? Right?
Yes.
But then 3 over 8 is smaller than 7 over 8. So we're going to need, so we can say we have 5 3 over 8 minus 7 over 8. So we're going to need one of these. So 1 plus, that is 8. So 8 plus 3, that's 11. There's going to be 5 whole, I mean, it will remain 4 when we remove 1. So 4 whole number 11 over 8 minus 7 over 8. So now that they have the same denominator, just say 11 minus 7, and that's 4 over 8, which is 4 and half. So did you get 4 and half?
No.
No. Okay. And the last one, is it the last one now? Yeah. Let's see. Number 4. I'm going to add this one because this one is going to become positive. Okay, yeah, I'll subtract this one. So that'll be 7 whole number 5 over 8 minus 5 whole number 3 over 8. So what we have is 7 minus 5, that's what? 2. Then the answer is 8, so 5 minus 3, and this will be 2 whole number 2 over 8, which is 2 whole number 1 over 4. So did you get 2 whole number 1 over 4?
Oh,
You
I got
got 2
two
over
number 2
8.
over 8.
Yeah, so
Over 8.
next time you change it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 6 out of 1, 2, 3. Is it 9? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, maybe I didn't mark 1. I didn't mark number 2. So that'll be 7 out of 10. Okay, that's a good job. So you can write which correction are you to write? Number 5, then the other ones. Wait, where's the. Okay, that number 5 is just a mistake also. So just correct it, then write the other ones up at the bottom, which is numbers 1 and 3. Okay, exactly. Can you hear me? Can Can you hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. I think the network or something. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Write the corrections. All right,
Yes.
viewers, thank you very much for watching this. You can subscribe to this channel, but you can hang on there as we continue. So now that you've submitted your work on terminating and repeating decimals, so let's see the first one. This, okay, gives zero point 0.5. Since it doesn't continue, then we pick it as terminating, which is correct with what you've done. Then the other one gives zero point 0.6, and that is also terminating. Then this is 2 over 3, which is zero point 0.6 continuously. Then we tag it as recurring. Then if we check the next one, the next one gives you 0.076153, which is a 1 divided by 13, 0.076. Hold on, let me see. You got 153, right? You got 0.076153, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. How many 13 in this? That's 0. How many 13 goes in 10? It can't go. So how many 13 goes in 100? You go 7. So 13 times 7 is what? That's 91, right? And you take 91 away from 100, you get 9 remaining. So 13 in 90 is what? That is
Um.
6.
Okay. Yes.
So 13 times 6 is going to be 78. And if we take it away from 90, we'll get 12.
Mm.
So how many 13 and 120? That's 9. Then 13 times 9 is what?
But what do you mean 13 120?
Okay. Let me
Mm.
repeat some. Let me repeat the step there. The first one I did, I said 13 in 1, that's 0. Then point 13 in 10, that is another 0. Then 13 in 100, that gives 7, which is 91. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Then if you remove 91, you get 9. Then you put a 0. So how many
Yeah.
13 in that? That is 6, right?
Yes.
So 13
And
times
that's
6
true.
is 78, and you remove it from 90, right?
And that's true.
You remove it from 90, right?
Eh. That's true. Oh no.
So you're the one that made the mistake, right?
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm. Yes.
So 90 minus 78 is 12. That's why I picked 120, okay?
Okay.
So divided by 13, that gives 9. And 13 times 9 is 117, so that will remain 3. So in 30, I mean 13 plus 2, which is 26, that will remain 4. In 40, I mean 13, that's 3, right?
Yes.
Then it goes back to remainder one. Wait, in 40, yeah, it goes back to remainder one. So then it's gonna give us back like hold on. So it's gonna give us back the zero, then the seven, then the six, then the nine, and two. Okay, three, then zero, seven, six, and so on. So
Okay.
then we can conclude that it is recurring because it's repeating all of these digits, you know, and to keep repeating them forever. So that is recurring. Though you got the answer that it's recurring, but with what you've written, it doesn't show that it is recurring, okay?
Okay.
Uh, so, so it could be neither terminating nor recurring if in some cases it just continues forever, never ending. Okay, um, just take note of that and hang on there while I work on your assignment, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for updates on a future video. Goodbye for now.